What's up everyone, Patrick here, welcome back. Moving on to the next question. So given f equals p times 1 plus r to the power t, we've got to isolate for r and t. So let's start off by isolating for the r. So I'm going to rewrite this equation over here. So we got to isolate for this r here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually divide both sides by p. So we're going to have f over p equals 1 plus r to the power of t. And then we got to get the r by itself, so we got to get rid of this exponent here. So what we can do is we can take both sides to the power of the reciprocal of this exponent. So notice this exponent is just t by itself, which is like t over 1. So the reciprocal of it is 1 over t. And then t times 1 over t, that would just give us 1. So we'd have 1 over here, and then we'd have f over p to the power of 1 over t. Right? Something times its reciprocal is always going to be 1, hence why we do that. So we don't have to even write this 1 here. And then now to isolate for this r, we just bring the 1 over. So I'm going to put the r here actually, and then we'll have f over p to the power of 1 over t minus 1. And actually another way to write this, a different format, is we can say the t root of f over p minus 1. So either this or that there works for isolating r. Now what if we were to isolate t? So we would have f equals p 1 plus r to the power of t. We got to isolate for this exponent here. So what we can do, same first step, divide both sides by p. So we'd have f over p equals 1 plus r to the power of t. And then at this point what we do is we would log both sides, or ln. I'm going to just ln it, but it could be log base anything that you do to both sides. I'm just going to use ln here. And now what we can do, we can bring that t down. Right? If you remember logarithmic rule, so this we can rewrite as t times ln of 1 plus r. And then we got ln of f over p. If you want, you could split this up too and say ln of f minus ln of p. So that's another way to write it. But either way, divide both sides by this ln 1 plus r to get the t by itself, we would end up with ln of f over p over ln of 1 plus r. And again, if you kind of want to make this look a little nicer, not have a fraction within a fraction, you could use logarithmic rules again to write this as ln of f minus ln of p over ln of 1 plus r, like that. So either that or that is the equation for t.